Hello guys, and welcome to Airsoft Community Channel's probably second video, I think. First, second, I'm not sure, because we're uploading quite a few videos recently, so I don't know. But here in front of me I have the T3 SAS compact made by JG. Got this from onlybbguns.co.uk. Very good delivery. Ordered it on Sunday, got here on Tuesday, so I didn't have to wait long for that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, now, oh, that's interesting. Don't recall ordering that, but okay. Here's I've got some free little BB gun pistol here. That is really small. Don't use the BBs that come with them. Just chuck them away. But the side. Now these 6,000 BBs I ordered. Yeah, these I did not come with the package. Okay. Apparently now I've got 8,000, so I'm a bit concerned because I did only order 6,000 with the gun, but I do have the right gun, so it's fine. So here we have 2,000.2 biodegradable fireball BBs with some strange pourer. These don't come with it, by the way, so don't think they do. And I've got a load more, so yeah, won't be looking at that, so that's not what the video is about. Open this up a bit more. It's really solid, right? Oh. But yeah, so first impressions on the gun. It is small, mostly because it doesn't have a stock, but what I'd advise buying is folding stock. I'm going to get one of them soon for it, because then it just adds a bit of kind of, well, stuff to it, really. So on here it says automatic electric gun series metal gearbox, require 100 milliamp 8.4 volt battery. I think that comes with it. And yeah, loads of other boxy stuff. But I'm not here for the box. Ooh, that's quite a solid box actually. I'm here for the gun. So, this is it. We've got a detachable Rhys rail. Put that to the side. Move the rest of that out there. Packaging. Manual. A winding key and an Allen key in there. Not going to go through the manual, but yeah. It says enhanced hop-up system. The battery. That's going to be useful. Charger. This is a European charger, but they kindly sent me an adapter, so it will work in the UK. It's always good. Don't want to not be able to charge my gun. These actually look like quite high quality BBs. These are .20 gram 6mm bullets. The best gun of the pressure razor series. Okay. That's that. Right, the actual gun here. Got hop up tag here. Don't really want that, so I'm gonna cut that off because I don't want that. There's no point. The actual gun fits nice and snug in the box. Now, it's really my first kind of metal gun. First thing I noticed, it is heavy. Pretty heavy. If I hold it here, it's actually pretty balanced on like either side. Right, show you there. there. Yeah, it's pretty balanced weight. I'm going to start from this end and move along. So we have the detachable Rhys rail or guard cover thing, which you can take off. Charging handle. Pull that back. It's a bit stiff. There we go. And that releases the hop-up wheel on the other side, which is nice because, well, hop-up's always good. Well, unless you don't want it. Most of the time I want hop-up with my one. Massive flash hider, but just unscrew that. It's good. No orange bit on the end, which is nice because I get really annoyed with that. Because just if you're trying to like poke your gun around the corner, kind of CQB poking the gun around the edge of corners, and there's this like big orange nozzle thing, it's gonna bring a lot more attention. Alright, so back to the actual gun. Not sure what's going on there. Oh well, they don't seem to be closing at the moment. Oh, move on. We have the magazine. This is a steel magazine. Press the magazine release on the other side. Pull that out, nice snug fit. This is a wind-up magazine. On the bottom, put your BBs in there, close it, lock, or wind them up, and they appear in there. Lovely jubbly. Can't remember which way the magazine goes around. Yep, we then have our second magazine release there. Set to switch, so at the moment we're on safe, semi, fully auto. Yeah, pistol grip. I'm assuming that's where the gearbox is held. I'm not sure, I don't know. Haven't looked up too much of this gun. And then there's also this bit. These two screws you can remove and put, like I said, folding stock, other bits and bobs, like solid stock. You should have no stock. If you want to have it CQB, and have no stock. There's 4 different sights on this. Let's see if I can show you guys. Look through there. There's a pin there. Turn it. Have another pin. Turn it again. Kind of more open sight. Turn it again. There's another pin. I think the pins are different sizes. Not sure. Can't really tell from here. But yeah. And then you look down the pin sight at the end. So yeah, that's the sight. I think that's pretty much it, really. There is some things like padding stuff. Not sure what that is. Cleaning rod, or unjamming rod. Serves us both. And that's the rest of the box. So thank you guys for watching the Community Airsoft channel's review on the T3 SAS Compact. Like I said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, rate, all of that shenanigans, and bye bye.